Introducing the VST Sound Design Bundle for Unreal Engine 5. This bundle combines the power of the VST audio plugin with the Sound Design plugin series, giving you a faster workflow for designing, processing, and rendering VST-driven sound effects directly to USoundWave assets. Instead of constantly switching between Unreal Engine and external audio tools, you can build and process sound effects inside the editor, then render the final result with just a few clicks. Here is how simple the workflow is. First, make sure the VST audio plugin knows where your installed VST plugins are located. Open the plugin manager and run the VST scanner. You only need to do this once after installation, or whenever you install new VST plugins. Next, create a new MetaSound, or head over to the included templates under the VST Audio, VST Effects Demos, and MetaSounds folders. For this example, I will use the MS VST FX MetaSound template. Inside the MetaSound, select the Wave Player node and choose the source sound you want to process. Then, select one of the VST Audio effect nodes. In the Details panel, open the Select VST Audio dropdown and choose the VST effect you want to use. For this example, I will use Del Sane. Now open the plugin's GUI and start adjusting its parameters. You can hear how the VST effect changes the source sound while you work, making it easy to shape the final effect directly inside Unreal Engine. Once you are satisfied with the result, go back to the content browser. Right-click the MetaSound and choose Render to USoundWave. This feature is provided by the Sound Design MetaSounds plugin. Unreal will generate a new USoundWave asset from your processed MetaSound, ready to plug into your game audio system. And if you need to make changes later, the workflow stays fast. Right-click the generated USoundWave and choose Open Source Asset. This reopens the MetaSound that created it, so you can quickly adjust the source design and render again. This source linking workflow is made possible by the Asset Tagging plugin included in the bundle. You can also use the same idea with Sequencer. If you have a level sequence containing MetaSound sound effects, you can right-click the sequence and render it directly to a USoundWave. This makes the bundle useful not only for individual sound effects, but also for authored sound design sequences, layered effects, cinematic audio, and reusable game-ready assets. The VST Sound Design Bundle is modular. Each plugin works together as part of the full workflow, but you can enable or disable individual plugins depending on the features your project needs. This bundle includes 11 plugins: VST Audio, Unreal VST3 SDK, Sound Design Core, Sound Design MetaSounds, Sound Design Sequencer, Sequence Tools, Common Audio, Asset Tagging, Common Ops 2, and Common Content. The VST Sound Design Bundle gives you VST processing, MetaSound-based sound design, sequencer authoring, source asset tracking, and render to USoundWave workflows directly inside Unreal Engine 5. Design, process, render, and iterate without leaving the editor.